companies that offer affiliate program coming right up. Hey, what's going, my friends? Miller Brady here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, we're going to be talking about companies that offer affiliate programs. And before we get on to the video, on this channel, I show you how to make money online, and I show you how to make passive income online through affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. And also, you can check out my #1 recommendation in making a full-time income down in the description. So what are companies that offer affiliate programs? And what I like about that concept is that when you join companies, they offer you trainings, tools, and mentorship and coaching, and at the same time they will help you promote their company. So right off the bat, you will get the training you want, but then you will also have the business side of the training. So that's what I like about that, and that's how I actually got started online. Is that when I joined this company, I learned how marketing works, how to generate leads, how everything works, right, basically, and how you can glue them together. And then at the same time, I promote the company, so I also earn commissions on the whatever products that they buy, right? So so let's get on to the video. So this is the first one that I highly recommend. It's actually my #1 recommendation, and it's called Legendary Marketer. What I like Legendary Marketer is that they have a 15 days business builder workshop, and in each day, right, they kind of broken down all the aspects of an online marketing in 2 days, right, in each day. So you will not be getting the whole training right away, because they found out that when you do that, right, when you give people everything in just one blow and then they don't follow through, they won't be successful, right? So that's how they started, right? The Legendary Marketer, they started with the concept of segregating the lessons through days, right? And also what I like about them is that you are assigned a business advisor on each day that you have. So in case you have any questions, and all the days are actually locked. Sorry, let me close this one. So your days are actually locked, right? So you can proceed to the next day. So that's what I like about it. You can proceed on the next day. So you have to get in contact with your business coach. And what I like about the business coach is that they will ask you questions and make sure that you get the concept before they unlock the next lessons, right? So that will ensure your success, right? That will help you succeed online, because you will get the foundations, then you will learn the skill set or the tools that you need in order to be successful online. So Legendary Marketer is my #1 recommendation, and if you're interested to try this out for 30 days, they have like a money back guarantee on that one. If you feel that you don't like this program, you can just ask your money back, no questions asked on that one. So it's going to be my #1 recommendation. Make sure to check it out on the description. My second company that I like to recommend is called MyLeadSystemPro. And what I like about this company is actually the first company that I joined. And this is where I learned marketing and stuff, right? Because their key concept here is attraction marketing. And if you want to grow an audience, or you want to make money online, you have to learn how to grow audience, and they will give you all the tools. Actually, this is I'm still using the tools with MyLeadSystemPro, and they actually give you lessons, coaching, trainings, courses, and tools like funnelizer. So funnelizer is like ClickFunnels. It will help you build your sales funnel, which is essential if you want to learn how to make money online. So it's kind of a all-in-one platform if you want. And the pricing for now is, let's go to pricing. So you can start out with basic, so it's $42 a month, and it's, if you check on monthly, it's $49, it's almost $50. You still get everything, right? You get the marketing and training and the funnelizer, which you can create your funnels. But if you want to go professional, you're paying $150. The difference is that for the 150, you are getting a site blog platform. So you get a enterprise quality of a blog site. We can start, because if you want to be, you want people to work with you, you need a blog site, so that you will establish yourself as a person of authority, or a person that can help people. So these are currently the pricing of MyLeadSystemPro. Again, I'm affiliate of this. This is where I learn marketing, and every strategies that you can think of. Is going to be in the link and down in the description. If you decide to join me and my team, you can sign out on, maybe you'll start out with basic just to try it out. We have a 10-day $10 10-day trial, so meaning you can test drive the system for 10 days, and if you don't like it, we'll just return your $10 back. So that's what I like about this. You can you can learn, just test drive it, get your feet on the water, and then just test it out. It's gonna be in the link on the description. Another program that I really like is called the Super Affiliate Network. I am not an affiliate on this one, but I have a lot of friends that are an affiliate on this one, and they kind of have the same concept with Legendary Marketer. And what I like about that is also, again, you will be assigned a business coach that will help you go through their steps, and then they have like another 15-day challenge as well. And this is really good. I have a lot of friends that are really good and really making a lot of money with Super Affiliate Network. I'm not an affiliate on this one. I suggest, if you wanna try this out, I would suggest you to connect with me, so that I can recommend my friends to you, because I want you to have a very good support. If you want to join Super Affiliate Network, I have friends that are actually making money on this one. So if you decide to join on this, so at least you will have that support. At least when you get started, you will get on the right track, right? But it's only up to you. But it's really good. I really recommend this one. Another company is called Digital Altitude. Sorry. So I heard about this one from people that I met, and it's really good program that they have. I'm not an affiliate on this one, so it's one that I suggest you look into, but I'm just not sure who you're gonna join. So but then reach out to me, maybe I can find someone for you. But this is one really good company, and again, they have that same I think they have the same program where they will not give you the entire lessons. You have to talk to your coach to unlock your next lesson. So that's what I like about that. Another program is called Elite Marketing Pro. It's the same as, in my opinion, the same as MyLeadSystemPro. The fundamentals of this one is the attraction marketing type of marketing, right? So when you build an audience, that's how you make money online. So they have the same, I think, with MyLeadSystemPro. I know a lot of leaders are coming out of Elite Marketing Pro, so that's why I said that's why I know that this is a really good company, and people are creating success on this platform. Again, I am not an affiliate, but I suggest if you want to try this out, you can find people who are on affiliate on this one, and get their support as well. Another one is called Attraction Marketing Pro. So this is a really good company. I actually part of their Facebook group, and I see a lot of really good content. So that's why I'm recommending this to you guys. What I like about this is that they have as low as $25, so you can start with them, and and then they can bump it up. So what's amazing, what I like about this is that because if you can see here, right, they have 25, 100, 250. So you have like a value ladder, so you can make as much as maybe $10 per person. But then as they upgrade their self, or upgrade their membership, you will also increase your profit on this one. So this is what I like about this. And you can yeah, so they have a different price point, so for you to choose from. So that's what I like about this company. There's another one. There's actually you can also try ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is not really, if I would say, it's not really a No, I think it's a company also that it teaches you sales funnel and stuff, and it's also a company that um, offers you products that will help you build sales funnel. So that's actually the concept on that one. And actually, what's good about this is that if you become a member, you also have trainings on how sales funnel work and online marketing work. So you are actually going to use the tool, right, for your online marketing, and then if you refer people to ClickFunnels, you will also have an affiliate link to that. So you will earn 30 to, I think, 30% commission on each person you bring in. So that will be another stream of income, but primarily it's a tool that you can use online, and then the knowledge or the skills that you will also learn with the company is also priceless, right? So ClickFunnels, if you want to make money with ClickFunnels, you will use their system, they will use their funnels, and then you promote it to other business owners, then you will earn commissions. And the same with Builder All, right? Builder All, let's see here, kind of just throw it in, guys. All right. No, this is not the company. Oh, is this it? They changed the website. All right, let's see. Yeah, I think this is the website. So Builder All is another, like the same as ClickFunnels. It's only difference is that it's a little bit cheaper compared to ClickFunnels. And what I like about this one actually is that you will, oh, sorry about that. You will hold on, Builder All. Right, so what I like a Builder All is that you can start out with $50 a month, right? And you get everything. That's literally that's what I heard from other affiliates, that you get everything, sales funnel, blog sites and stuff. And I think you can start out with do you see the pricing here? You will see pricing. I think it's $50 a month, I think, or they kind of increase it to $70. All right, so, and this is what I like about them is that, oh no, they increased it already. So Builder it's $70 a month now. So what I like about Builder All is that it's a tool you use, right? You use this to build your online business. At the same time, if you refer people with Builder All, or you just promote Builder All, right? If you just promote Builder All, you will earn 3 tiers now. I think I just saw here that I don't know if you can correct me if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comment section down below. I think it's 3 tiers now, meaning let's say you have your direct referral, and that direct referral referred another person, so that's tier 2. So you will make commissions out of that tier 2, and then that tier 2 will enroll another person or refer another person to the program under your link. It's kind of a network. It's kind of a network marketing compensation. The third person, you will still earn commission. So it's like third generation or something. So that's what amazing about this is that you will make good money if you refer people. ClickFunnels, I think, is just have one direct referral. Builder All, they did that. They have like 3 files, so you can actually make really good money with Builder All if you just decide to promote Builder All, just Builder All as an affiliate program. You can make decent money on that one. So this is it, guys. Again, my number 1 recommendation is with Legendary Marketer. I really like it. I learned a lot actually. It's more the whole package thing, and what I like about this is because I have a business coach that is assigned to me that I can ask anytime if I have any questions, and they will actually help you build that one. So if you want to learn online marketing, if you want to learn how to start an affiliate marketing business, Try out Legendary Marketer. We have a $7 15-day business builder workshop, which has a complete course for you to learn how online marketing, online business work. And then it's a 30-day money back guarantee. If you don't like it, you can just cancel, and then you will have your $7 back. $7, guys. This is what I like about this. It's going to be in the description, my affiliate link. If you decide to join, you'll also have me as support. I will teach you everything I know and how you can get quick results with Legendary Marketer. Alright guys, so this is it for today. I really hope you get involved in this video. If I missed some companies, I'm sorry. Just let me know, right? So then we'll just check it out, and then we'll do a thorough review of that as well. So let me know in the comment section if you found value. Give this video a thumbs up as well. If you don't found value, give this video a thumbs down. Alright guys, so MyLeadSystemPro here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.